Let's see how to hide section on mobile in Wix. If you want to hide a section on the mobile version of your Wix site, follow this simple step. First, open your Wix Editor and switch to mobile view by clicking the mobile icon at the top of the editor. Next, find the section you want to hide and click in on. And this section I want to hide. Then click the hide element or hide section for mobile option from the setting menu. The section will now be hidden on mobile devices but will still be visible on desktop. And that's it. That's how to hide section on mobile in Wix. See you soon.